Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create a group in Kick. Now let us begin. To note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not done that, do it right now. Now let us simply look at how to create a group. Right here on the chat section, you can see a button like this that looks like a plus icon. Click on it. Once you do that, these things will open up. From here, you can simply find people to meet new people. But right now, what we need to do is simply start a group. So click on this button that says Start a Group. Now all you guys have to do is select whomever you want to add to the group. You can also search for them as well. And once you've done that, do note that you can add or not add a name to the group. It is optional, but I'm gonna add it right now. For your information, you can also add a group photo. You simply need to click on this gallery button. Once everything's okay with you, simply click on the button Start, and as such you will have created a group in Kick. And guys, that is it. That's how we create a group in Kick. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.